What's up, y'all? It's your girl JWA, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be unboxing my new camera.
Shawty, I'ma only tell you this once, you the illest. Master that I know. And for your love, and I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. Master that I know. You got spark, you got spark, you got something all the girls want.
I'm so excited. So let's just jump right into it. Got my handy dandy scissors. And I have been hustling so hard to get a new camera. And I literally have not been able to vlog because my camera storage on my phone is full. So it's like not letting me record nothing until I delete my whole life off the phone. And it's like, that's not fair. This is my family on my phone, like my memories. I love memories. Like, I'm a memory type of girl. So I done paid for storage. It's still not working. It's just like, I have to have a camera. You get me? I just have to. And it's just about time that I have it for, you know, my vlogging. So I was blessed enough to have a young lady reach out to me after she seen my post and seen that I was trying to, you know, raise money to get a new camera. Like, I started a GoFundMe and everything, y'all. Like, cameras are really expensive, but I just knew that I was gonna need some help. So a young lady, she reached out to me. She let me know that she would sell me her camera, and y'all, look. So it is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Period. And there's the charger. She sent it in a bubble wrap, so you know it's all nice and healthy and secure. So there we go. Like I said, it was previously owned, so I'm so grateful that somebody just thought about me enough to, you know, sell me their camera. I had to previously sell my camera. I had a Canon. It was a G 850, 850. I don't forgot, but it was an 80D. What am I talking about? I got a G camera now. I'm talking about G stuff. No, it was a 80D camera.
Y'all, there was no camera in here.
Y'all should have saw my face. Y'all know. Y'all saw my face. There was no camera in here. The battery's in here. But y'all, the camera's right here. Wow! I was gonna say, like, oh my God. But no, like, let me get my thoughts together, y'all. Hold on. Let me calm down for a second. I really was so scared. But the guy, I heard her call the dude on the, she called me when she got to the post office. And the dude told me that, he was gonna wrap it so that it wouldn't break or whatever. So I remember that. But yeah, y'all, I had to sell my camera, cause I just needed the money at the time, and I just didn't need it. Like, I wasn't using it for vlogging. It was more like a picture camera, and even the picture quality wasn't that great for me, and I wasn't really going anywhere to take pictures like that. But now I'm starting to really be into my content more, so I really am now gonna need to start using a camera for vlogging. And since my phone is acting cray-cray, there she is, y'all. Let's name her. What's her name? Sasha. Marina. Julia. Period. Okay, so the battery's gonna be in it. Let's turn it on. Ooh, okay, y'all. Let's see. Hold on, let me see how it looks already. Oh, I think I could flip this up. And I can't. Period. It's definitely giving vlog. I'm gonna have to give me a little tripod. Stop playing with her. And yeah, y'all see that? Like, stop playing with me. Y'all gotta see, like, okay. So I'm gonna record videos from here now on, so y'all can see it. Ooh, my head look big. Ooh, jab. I don't even know how to act. I don't know how to act. Okay, so she's my camera. Her name's Salt.
Congratulations.
Okay, yeah, so I'm just excited, y'all. It's a no memory card. I gotta put my memory card in there. But I love it already. It's my baby, like, and I'm just so grateful that I'm probably about to cry. It's just so beautiful. Let me get a closer look for y'all. I'm just shaking, like I'm shaking. It's so beautiful, like and it's like perfect for vlogging. Like I have the battery. The battery's in the camera, hence that's why I turned on. This is the box, came with the instructions, everything. Still, like, God has just blessed me. He's blessing me. Like, he knew what I needed. He knew it. Like, he knew it. And I asked him and I prayed for it. And he gave it to me. Like, thank you, God. Thank you. Like, thank you. So that was my video, y'all. I hope y'all are ready for me because I'm coming back. Like, I'm not playing, like, period. Stop playing with me. Like, so prepare to be sick of me at this point. And just ready, some content is coming. Like, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and like and share this video right now. Comment right now. Period.
Shawty, I'ma only tell you this once, you the illest. Master that I know. And for your love, and I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. Master that I know. You got spark, you got spark, you got something all the girls want.